One of the priorities for the development of a modern and independent Tajik state is to create the necessary conditions needed to ensure the efficient operation of the border services of the State Border Guard. Two important aspects of this include obtaining a gender balance between male and female representatives of the Tajik Border Guard service, and also maintaining healthy and productive relations within the border areas of Tajikistan and its neighbors. In compliance with the government's National State Border Management Strategy of the Republic of Tajikistan for 2012 to 2017,
following instructions and upon the order of the founder of peace and national unity, the leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, the border forces of the State Committee for National Security of the Republic of Tajikistan are paying a large amount of attention to the topic of women's roles in society. Of the 16,000 military representatives from the Dushanbe garrison who marched in this year's parade in celebration of the 25th anniversary of Tajikistan's independence, the female staff of the forces of Tajikistan were announced as the best group in the parade. Recently, following a resolution issued by the government of Tajikistan and new military reforms adopted within the border forces of Tajikistan, a substantial number of female staff members of the border forces have been promoted to higher positions. We are sure that by working together with the International Organization for Migration in Tajikistan, we will also be able to address the lack of modern technology and equipment in Tajikistan's border checkpoints.
Gender equality in the border management is not only a matter of priority of IOM, but also for the government of the Republic of Tajikistan. During the last 5 years, the number of females working in the border forces of Tajikistan increased from 4.5 to 7%, and a further increase is planned. IOM will continue to work closely with the border forces of Tajikistan in order to effectively mainstream gender within border management policy in Tajikistan.
The International Organization for Migration and the Border Guard Training Center are closely cooperating with one another. They are conducting seminars and developing joint projects in order to address the gender inequality currently existing in the Tajik border forces.
Addressing issues related to gender equality are a very important issue for society. For that reason, the border forces of Tajikistan have established a working group in collaboration with the International Organization for Migration in Tajikistan in order to conduct a gender self-assessment within the border management system of Tajikistan. The self-assessment was carried out by the working group at all border checkpoints along Tajikistan's borders. As a result of the self-assessment, 19 recommendations were developed and submitted together with the final report for the consideration and approval of the commander of the border force of Tajikistan. The recommendations have been approved by the commander of the border forces of Tajikistan, and all concerned departments of the Tajik border forces have received an order to implement these recommendations by the end of the year 2018.
The implementation of national policies directed at tackling gender issues within the border force is bringing positive results. A certain number of female officers who have successfully proven themselves as valued members of the border force have already achieved high ranks, with Captain Rahmanova acting as a perfect example.
My family resides in a village which is located very close to the national border between Tajikistan and Afghanistan. As a child, every day I used to observe the border guards working hard and performing their duties. I loved it. When the time came to choose a career path, without hesitation, I chose to serve in the border forces. My parents accepted my choice, and my father told me that he himself wanted me to become a border guard. With my parents' blessing, I did. Currently, I am working at the Border Institute of Tajikistan as the senior instructor in the communications department. I hope that every citizen of Tajikistan is ready to serve for the country and imbue the mind of youth with patriotism.
Concentrating on gender equality has become an important part of implementing the state policy concerning national security within the border forces of Tajikistan. It represents a major contribution to addressing gender issues, which is essential to improving the wider military structures of the border forces.